Raindrops fall from skies of gray, gentle whispers start to play. In this tranquil twilight hour, feeling love's unyielding power. Underneath a broken moon, me and you, we find our tune. Softly holding hands so tight, waves of calm in the quiet night. Underneath a broken moon, me and you, we find our tune. Softly holding hands so tight, waves of calm in the quiet night. Calming rain on rooftops sing, hearts in harmony with spring. Every droplet knows your name. Love and rain forever same. In the hush of falling rain, all our worries fade like pain. Beneath umbrellas we could stay, finding words we need to say. Streetlights glow in misty haze, eyes meet bright in tender grace. Puddled streets reflect the stars.